Welcome to this small presentation on climate change and how you can help prevent it. Now, what is climate change exactly? Well, based off dictionary.com, its definition is a long-term change in the Earth's climate, especially a change due to an increase in the average atmospheric temperature. Climate change is a threat to humanity. The effects of climate change have led to the emergence of large-scale environmental hazards to human health, such as extreme weather, ozone depletion, increased dangers of wildfires, a loss of biodiversity, stresses the food-producing system, and the global spread of infectious disease. This could mean humanity's end if nothing is done about it. It could forever change the way we live. Now, what are the effects of climate change? There are a lot, but here are some of them. There are changes in temperature. It is predicted that if nothing is done, by 2050, the temperature could rise by 1.5 degrees Celsius, which may not seem like a lot, although it really is. A change in precipitation's pattern. It would rain less, so droughts would come more often, which brings me to my next point, droughts. Droughts will happen more often and will make soils unworkable. Hurricanes are another big effect of climate change. They will happen more often. And as we know it, hurricanes are very dangerous and can destroy hundreds of homes, even thousands, leading its devastating effects to affect humans. The global sea level would rise, which means that coasts would get flooded, and the inhabitants living on the coasts will have to relocate and migrate somewhere else. It is estimated that there could be 1.5 billion migrants by 2030 if nothing is done about it. This could lead to economical crises and other crises. The melting of ice could leave polar bears homeless, as we've just seen in this picture. They will no longer have ice to live on and will have to adapt or move. There are even more local effects that are smaller but yet impactful. Now, how can you help to prevent climate change? The good news is you can, and it's not too late to prevent it. Small actions are very important. For instance, riding a bike to work instead of taking your car there will reduce ginormous amounts of gas a year. And if a lot of people do it, it will be huge and have an environmental impact. Taking shorter showers can be another very good example. Another thing, you can also donate. For instance, the Climate Emergency Fund is a fund that will go towards scientists so that they can research ways to avoid climate change. Thanks for watching.